Hey everyone, this is a BlitzWolf first smartwatch HL1 review. It's cheap, it's for the average consumer, and for some reason it's been a hot request lately on the Banggood website. It costs now $17 US. As always, I will put the link in the description below, so click that link to see the most updated prices in real time. This is Hans, welcome everyone. Build design looks premium. It's weighing about 49 grams without the straps, and the size of the case 42 mm with a depth of 10.6 mm. The build material zinc alloy. When you touch it, you can feel the strength of the watch, and the color is metal black. It is comfortable to wear during the day, and for me personally comfortable to wear for sleep tracking feature during the night. The band is 20 mm silicone, and I've never had any kind of skin annoyance. Also, the quick release silicone strap itself is very comfortable, very much flexible on my wrist. I have a slim wrist, and when I wear there are enough adjustment holes, but the special thing here is the free look. It's unique, it's inside the straps, so it looks very premium in my opinion. Much like the design, this watch functions to suit every need. If you are a runner, if you want to track all your activity like blood oxygen, blood pressure, 24-hour continuous heart rate measurement, step counting, smart reminder, remote music control, remote camera shot, weather display and alarm, plus multisport modes like walking, running, cycling, skipping, badminton, basketball, football and swimming. Yes, this watch IP68 waterproof. It supports swimming with the limitation time up to 30 minutes. But take in mind, this watch not for diving deeper than 1 meter. Now, taking a look at the screen, it's big, similar to other Xiaomi Amazfit Bip devices. It's IPC screen sizing 1.30 inch with the resolution 240 by 240 pixels. It's touch control, short touch to switch the interface and long touch to enter the selected mode. The numbers are big enough for telling time, and for your other health metrics, the larger illustrators helps identify what screen you are looking at. But let's go what BlitzWolf offers for your other needs. Now, from the factory, you get your time, date, heart rate, step count and brand log mark. And with the top, you can cycle through your step, count, dates, the distance, burned calories, top up the sleep monitor, BPM, training, blood pressure, blood oxygen, messages, remote music, remote camera, another swipe, stopwatch, mute off, reset, power off, and the screen brightness adjustment. I love this display. BlitzWolf HL1 smartwatch, compatible both with Android and iPhone. The app called it Fit. You can download the application from the instruction manual or just by searching for it. The application is very simple, understandable and informative. Now, to pair the watch with your smartphone, simply open the app, follow the requirements and keep the watch close to your smartphone. It will take maximum of 10 seconds. Within the application, you can monitor your steps, sleep, heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen and outdoor running. You may also change the interface of the watch, set the notification goals, alarm and many more. Magnetic charging pins do function fine, with the charging time is up to 2 hours. Now, one of the useful things is I think the 180 mAh battery life is tip-top. That does include the sleep tracking feature and heart rate monitor 24/7, and standby time is 15 days. Forgot to mention earlier, this watch display always sleeps until you simply raise your hand or tap the watch. And that's all for today's video. I'd like to hear your thoughts about the watch itself and of course the review. That means a lot for me. Please like the video and subscribe. Peace.